Welcome, Master Designers. Tonight we're going to draw Whis, Lord Beerus's faithful attendant. Plus, this guy is an angel. Whis was once Beerus's teacher and taught him the ways of being a god. He is more than just Beerus's fellow low attendant. They are also great friends. They both share interest in the best taste of food. Let's just say they know each other a lot. They've been through it together a lot. I know I drew this in the last episode, but the only problem was the thing was a bit too small. Here's his Whis' hair. Whis kind of knows a lot about the ancient past, including what it means to be a god and what it means to have the power of a Super Saiyan god. Not only that, but he has the highest intelligence of any god. And here's this here's the halo sticking out of his back. And I can respect that. Here's Whis' arm. Here's his special staff here. He uses it to pull up maps of the entire planet and even pull up info on the past. There we go. This special staff of his, it was given to by his father. Plus, it defies gravity and heat. The special thing is that it has the ability to, well, turn back time in case of emergency. Like when our system's star falls apart and almost turns to ash. And finished! That's how you draw Whis. He looks awesome. I'm gonna be drawing more angels like him real soon. Anyway, if you want to find out more on how to draw more gods, please leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw most. Anyways, I'll see you later. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.